Precision on the track begins with precision off the track. To craft the ultimate racing machine takes technology that is unparalleled. The Apache RR 310 is crafted in a state-of-the-art facility. No compromises and no shortcuts. Every element of the racing machine is meticulously manufactured and assembled. There's no room for flaws. The margin of error in the plant is the same as on the racetrack. 0. The elements of the racer are pieced together by highly skilled engineers using the latest technology. The RR 310 is inspected through every step of the manufacturing process to ensure it meets the high standards required on the track. The end result? A precision-crafted racer. Apart from rigorous track testing, the RR 310 is subjected to grueling mechanical testing and accurate tuning. The toughest race conditions are simulated to ensure the bike is track ready. From the manufacturing line to the finish line, the RR 310 is crafted to dominate. TVS Apache RR 310, pure racecraft.